Today is June 12th. I am Vicky and this is Simon Says. The campus looks really good in springtime. Although it feels like summer, it's still springtime. It's all green. Wait, who is that?
Hi Vicky!
Hi!
Oh, it's so gorgeous out there.
Right.
So I keep biking everywhere. It's the best way for me to squeeze in 30 minutes of exercise. Did you know you can do that too? I talked to Nick, who is in charge of the bike library, and I found out some information for you.
Well, the bike library is a community bike shop in campus, right in SAB 113. We are a space where people can come in and fix their bikes, and also we sell used and new parts. We also do rentals for 1 week.
So
1 to 4 weeks.
students can rent a bike.
Yeah, students, staff, community members, anyone can rent a bike for up to 4 weeks. It's only $15 plus GST.
Hope you can try this out so you can explore Edmonton on wheels, not only e-scooters.
And a little bit of exercise should make you a little bit more active even in the classroom.
Yes, so the topic at the SEC this week is active living.
Let's do it. This is the final week of our SEC workshops, so make sure you make time for at least one last visit.
Yes, and it is so exciting that we have one of you to join our listening lab on Tuesday. Lu Yao is a 140 student who lives a very active life. She will share her adventures with you.
She will be our super guest speaker, and we are very, very excited to listen to her. So everyone is invited. On Wednesday, during the Read and Write workshop, we will do some exercises to practice time management for your writing. This Thursday's Conversation Club is going to be different. We are taking you outside the classroom. The weather is great, and I think we should chat outside on Churchill Square.
Yeah, so let's meet at 1 p.m. at the main floor Sweetgrass Bear statue on Thursday during the Conversation Club.
Looking forward to that.
We are wrapping up with the Kahoot Cup this Wednesday, and on Friday we will see who the winner is.
How come?
Because we will have a party on Friday at 11 a.m. We will play some games, have snacks, and celebrate the SEC participation.
If you would like to bring some of your favorite snacks to share, please feel free to do so. Dancing is a great way to stay active.
I think so.
We want to challenge you to exercise for 30 minutes, stay active for 30 minutes every day this week.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
And this one.